Welcome to my today's video. This is Nasrin. Today I'm going to introduce you one of my nighttime skincare. This is Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This is a exfoliating product for face. In our busy life, we cannot use the mask every day, but this is at least we can use once a week. This is the mask. So this is the cover for more protection. So we keep like this and we take with our finger. This much I need for my all over face. So I use this mask in the night time, like after I use all of my cream and whatever I use. So this is my last step for my skincare product for nighttime, but this I use only once a week. If you can put twice, but I really don't have that much time, so I put once a week. This is made with avocado. This avocado melt eye sleeping mask contains encapsulated retinol, which helps to smooth dry, rough skin around the eyes. Melt retinol sleeping mask we can use all over our face, only avoid eye area. This should use as a final step in our PM routine. This is made in USA. It is a moisturizing and firming nighttime face mask. After using this, it makes face nourish and calm. This moisturizing and firming nighttime face mask, it helps to blemish and improving uneven skin tone. This Glow Recipe mask comes in a beautiful green glass jar. This is very cute and a little bit heavy. This is gentle and great exfoliating for skin. This is a water-based formula which is rich in the glycerin for hydration. This is a water-based formula which is rich in the glycerin for hydration. Also, it has hyaluronic acid and many plant-based extracts. Avocado has rich source of vitamin E, C and polyhydroxy acid, which is very good for skin. Any potent exfoliating acids or retinol skincare products should be only used for overnight, and we use sunscreen for daytime. If you like the video, then please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.